So hello everyone, my name is Raman Mishra and I am from BCA department. My section is C section, and today I'm going to be giving presentation on instruction codes and data transfer instructions. So let's start. Our first topic is instructions. So let's see what is instructions first. So before explaining the topic, I'm going to be giving you some basic ideas so that you can understand the topic in a better way. So let's begin. Instructions. Computer instructions are a set of machine language instructions that a particular processor understands and executes. A computer performs tasks on the basis of the instruction given. So basically what's it's written here. See, computer performs different tasks. So many operations computer performs, like arithmetic operations includes addition, multiplication, division. So many operations it can perform. So however, like how the instruction you are passing to computer, it's gonna understand and execute accordingly. So basic computer organization and design computer organization deals with how different parts of a computer are organized and how various operations are performed between different parts to do a specific task. So what's it written here? Basic computer organization and design computer. So these organization deals with how different parts of a computer are organized and how various operations are performed between different parts to do a particular task. So our next topic is instruction format. The collection of ordered steps to perform a complete task is called instruction format. So it is a collection of steps. It is a collection of all the steps which is involved to perform a particular task is known as instruction format. So let's see what is addressing modes. So there are different types of operands that can appear in an instruction. So there are basically three types of operand. Let's see. Direct operand. It is an operand stored in the register or in the memory location specified. Indirect operand. It is an operand whose address is stored in the register or in the memory location specified. And the third operand is immediate operand, an operand whose value is specified in the instruction. So basically direct operand is an operand stored in the register. An indirect operand is an operand whose address is stored in the register. Address is stored in the register. And the last is immediate operand. Immediate operand is an operand whose value is specified in the instruction. So these are the three operands. So let's see types of instruction format. There are totally 4 types of instruction format. First one is 0 address instruction format, 1 address instruction format, 2 address instruction format, 3 address instruction format. So these are the 4 types of instruction formats. And let's see what is accumulator. Accumulator is a register which performs arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations are performed by accumulator. It is denoted by AC or A. So these instructions refer to memory address as an operand. The operand is always accumulator. So basically in accumulator, arithmetic operations are performed. What is instruction codes? Let's see. The user of a computer can control the process by using programs. Obviously, a user can control the process by using different programming languages, because we cannot directly communicate with computer in our language, Hindi, English and whatever it is. We have to communicate with computer with its programming languages. So many high level languages are there, such as C++, Java and so many programming languages are there. So by using these programming languages, we can easily communicate with computer. So let's see what it's written next. A program is a set of instructions that specify the operations, operand and the sequence. So obviously a program is a set of instructions. So So basically set of instruction is known as program. So by using program we can easily communicate with computer. Instruction codes together with data are stored in memory, and this concept is known as stored program concept. So if we combine together instruction codes as well as data in the memory, then this concept is known as stored program concept. Instruction code continuation. The computer reads each instruction from memory and places it in a control register. So there are two types of code. Let's see. Instruction code, a group of bits that instruct the computer to perform a specific operation or specific task. Operation code. The most basic part of an instruction code are the group of bits that define such operations as add, multiplication, subtraction, etc. Obviously, we can perform so many different types of operations on computer. We have listed some of the operations here, such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. So we can perform so many operations on computer. So in this diagram, the memory size is 4096 cross 16, and it is made up with instructions as well as operands. So in the instruction, on the left side opcode is there, and on the right side address is there, and on the down side binary operand is there. So computer instructions, 3 instruction code formats. Each format has 16 bits. Operation code, which is also known as opcode, part of the instruction contains 3 bits, and the meaning of the remaining 13 bits depends on the code encountered. Let's see what is data transfer first. Data transfer refers to the secure exchange of large files between systems or organizations. So we can transfer data from one system to another. So this process is known as data system. You can see I have attached a diagram here. So it is basically data transfer. Data transfer and manipulation. Most computer instructions can be classified into 3 categories. Let's see all these 3 categories. First one is data transfer instructions. Second one is data manipulation instructions. And the third one is program control instruction. So these are the 3 categories. And here LD stands for load, ST stands for store, MOV stands for move, XCH stands for exchange, in stands for input, out stands for output, push stands for push, and pop stands for pop. So data transfer instructions. Most common transfers are, there are 3 common transfers are, let's see, it's listed below. Between memory and processor registers, between processor registers and input or output, and the third one is between the processor registers themselves. So thank you.